こんにちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello, everyone. I'm Ms.P. Today, I'm going to show you my coffee station. And also, I would like to show you how to change a color scheme by changing kitchen curtain and a little kitchen stuff. So, let's get started! This is my coffee station, and this is my kitchen window, and the color scheme is gray, black, white, and red, just like this. And I put my kitchen island by the window. And actually I made this kitchen curtain by myself with an IKEA's fabric. And my color scheme for spring is just like this. And I decorated my kitchen island with IKEA's little stuff like this. And these are my favorite polka dot coffee cup. And the next one. This is my actual coffee station. And I usually actually enjoy my coffee in the morning with listening to jazz music like this. And these two shelves from IKEA's too. And this is my favorite cat coffee cup. And this is my favorite and convenient coffee maker. And I can make individual coffee with this. And also I can make regular coffee pad with this. Just push the button. And just like this. And then I actually printed out the sign like this from the internet. It says free coffee, and now all my friends who come here can have free coffee. And also I printed out this sign from the internet too. It says get more out of life with a coffee, America's favorite drink. Yeah, that's true. American people really love coffee. And this is my husband's art. And then I put my biscotti here. And then this is sugar and this is coffee. And actually I use stevia for my coffee, which is called Truvia. And this is very good because it's natural sugar. I think this is very healthy for your body. And then this is my filter, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you how to change your color scheme by changing kitchen curtain and little stuff like this. This is my summer version. I change kitchen curtain, which is blue and white stripes, and then I also made this by myself with IKEA's fabric, and I change little stuff like this, everything blue and white. And then this is also blue and white here. It's very different, right? This is my fall and winter version of the coffee station. And then it's very similar to spring version except for kitchen curtain, which I made with IKEA's fabric. All my kitchen curtains I made with IKEA's fabric. Hello everyone! What did you think about my coffee station? If you like my idea, please subscribe and see you later. Bye!